Welcome to the squad. Are you ready to make learning exciting, build your child's confidence, and help them reach their full potential? Say hello to the Study Squad's newest edition, Thrive in 5. With Thrive in 5, your child can consolidate key skills taught in class at home with just 5 minutes of focused learning each day. The Thrive in 5 content line covers years 1 to 6 and is split into terms to cover key learning from autumn, spring and summer. Designed by expert educators, these engaging bite-sized workbooks are aligned with the national curriculum, making them the perfect tool to keep children on track and excelling throughout their education. Meet the team. Across the Study Squad Thrive in 5 range, children will become familiar with our friendly and helpful characters, including safari guides and a range of safari animals. Another friendly learning companion character is Sid the stick insect. He appears on every page in the sticky knowledge section, including activities that focus on key concepts that the children will have learnt before. Sid helps reinforce prior knowledge, ensuring that learning sticks. With Sid by their side, children can build confidence and strengthen their understanding every step of the way. All it takes is 5 minutes a day. Spark a love for learning with short, structured activities designed for self-led learning. Featuring fun and engaging safari animals, Thrive in 5 allows children to progress at their own pace, to understand and master concepts independently. Thrive in 5 helps to make learning fun and motivating. Alongside core skills, each workbook includes safari quests to engage your child and reward their efforts. At the end of each week, children complete fun challenges to earn rewards and track their progress, making revision motivating and enjoyable. Self-assessment lions to encourage reflection and independence. Each day, children colour a lion based on how well they understood the activities. This simple system helps them identify strengths and pinpoint areas for improvement, building confidence along the way. It also acts as a valuable record, highlighting topics that need revisiting, skills requiring extra practice, and concepts needing further clarification to support progress. Helpful knowledge organisers from Year 1 to Year 6 cover key maths concepts, including multiplication and division facts, fractions, decimal equivalents, Roman numerals, measurement, and money. Children can flick to the back of their workbook to look up handy hints, supporting their understanding of key maths skills. With accompanying answer books for adults, Study Squad Thrive in 5 makes learning a stress-free and enjoyable experience for you and your child. With the Thrive in 5 product line, learning goes beyond the page. Exclusive QR codes provide instant access to additional digital resources, including concept videos delivered by experts with clear explanations and a wide range of interactive Go games to reinforce learning. These teacher-created resources help children deepen their understanding and make learning more engaging than ever. Simply scan the QR code using a mobile or tablet. It's quick, simple and effective. Just scan, learn and succeed. All of the concept videos are designed by subject specialists and delivered by experienced teachers. They all have clear step-by-step explanations and pause, rewind and play tools for independent learning. Children can review concepts at their own pace whenever they need a little extra support. Make learning exciting with the Study Squad's Thrive in 5 Go games. Created by teachers, these interactive games help children develop skills while having fun. They include multiple choice quizzes, drag and drop activities, and matching games. Study Squad Thrive in 5 includes access to curriculum-aligned Go games to reinforce learning in an engaging, interactive way. Simply scan the QR code and start playing. Thrive in 5 is just the beginning. With a whole range of workbooks for different skills and key stages, you can support your child's learning journey every step of the way. No printer, no problem. Order printed workbooks from the Twinkl store with free shipping on all orders. Study Squads Thrive in 5, making learning simple, structured and stress-free. Study Squad, the complete revision toolkit. If you enjoyed this concept video, make sure to head over to our landing page. You will find videos from fully qualified teachers about English, maths and a whole range of foundation subjects. Twinkl concepts, concepts made clear.